is really coming off.
Oh, this is gonna be
It's a movie.
I do that every time. Wait, it's not moving.
So what is the situation in there, ma'am?
Well,
Alright, I'm gonna
You were
do a
taking a
flying
shit?
jump kick into the door.
yeah.
Someone needs to tell this dumb blonde to move the fuck out of the way.
I'm getting the screw out, guys. I'm not dumb.
Christmas time.
Look at the screw.
Christmas time.
Can you get a zoom in on that screw that I'm picking with this hair clip?
And what is that gonna accomplish?
It's gonna take the handle off and there's gonna be a hole in the door.
And then what? Oh, you have pants on, right?
I thought you guys were
Do you have
Sing it.
pants on?
Sing a Christmas carol. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree, in a pear tree.
It's the middle of
On
July.
the second day. It's passing time, guys.
You can easily
Second
twist that with your
day.
fingers now.
Christmas,
Here, watch out, watch out.
my true love gave to
Let me
me.
try
Get
to
the fuck
open
out
the
of
door.
here.
Get the fuck out of here.
Get off! Jason!
Out of here.
You just pushed the nail back in. All my hard work.
It's a screw.
Yes. Push
Is that the most work you've done all summer?
Probably.
What the fuck is that?
Huh?
Is that a... What is that?
Another sex toy?
What is this contraption used for?
Are you done yet?
No, Jason pushed it back
I
in.
could have taken it out faster with my teeth.
At least I'm the one that came up with this idea. Can we
Well,
get
I
that?
want to use a spoon. You're using a bobby pin.
It's not a bobby pin.
Whatever.
It's your hair accessories.
Using a fucking screwdriver.
We would if we had one.
Dude, I think this
Shit, now what?
Like, damn.
Fuck.
I don't think we thought this all the way through.
But it always comes off. Hold on.
Hey. Oh my god, it came.
Look! She's in there! Now how do you get that out? Pull it.
We did it! Did that? I should be a carpenter.
Fucking rock and roll for you.
Oh my god! How did I do that? I am so smart. None of you thought of that.
Okay, you remember how to put it back together, right?
You just put the screw in.
Let's not do that so soon.
Yes.
Well, there's no pipes.
What's that?
Dude, is
Now
this on
we
fucking camera?
Glory
Yes.
hole. It's a glory hole.
It's a glory hole.
Was it really locked?
It's a glory hole.
You
Only
took
you would
one on
consider
the
that a
side.
glory hole.
Wait, you took this one off? Or did it fall?
I just pulled it.
Oh.
That's what I heard.
Dude, that's pretty
Okay,
intense.
can I conclude this adventure?
Yes, I'll fucking film it.